This is question 17 on page 468, and that is test 2. Let me see what section it is. Section 5. Okay, so this question says the cost of a telephone call using long distance carrier A is $1 for any time up to and including 20 minutes and 7 cents per minute thereafter. The cost using long distance carrier B is 6 cents per minute for any amount of time. For a call that lasts T minutes, the cost using carrier A is the same as the cost using carrier B. If T is a positive integer greater than 20, what is the value of T? Okay, so this is essentially a problem asking you to translate English to math. So let's go through each line and translate it bit by bit. So for carrier A, the cost of a telephone call using this carrier is $1 for any time up to and including 20 minutes, and then $0.07 per minute for any minute thereafter. So the total minutes is going to be T, and then we need to cut out the first 20 minutes because those first 20 minutes have that unique cost of the $1. So we have to cut that out because that's taken care of by the dollar here. And then we need to set this equal to the cost of carrier B because we're trying to figure out when the T value makes these two different carriers charge the same amount. So the way to calculate the cost for carrier B is much easier. It's 0.06 times T because they cost 6 cents for every minute. Okay, so now that you have your equation set up, now you just have to distribute this 0.07. So this will give you 1 plus 0.07 T minus 1.4 equals 0.06 T. And then you're just combining like terms. So you can combine the 1 and the negative 1.4 to give you negative 0.4. And you can subtract 0.07 T from each side. And this will give you negative 0.01 T. Oops, sorry. And now you want to get T alone, so you're just going to divide by negative 0.01 on each side. And that will give you T equals 40. And if you had time and you want to check if you were right, you could plug in 40 and you'd find that the cost would be the same. So the takeaway for this problem is that you need to cut out those first 20 minutes because they have their own unique cost. So this is a very tough problem, number 17, but you could apply this to an easier problem that would be drawing upon the same principle that you have one unique cost, like the $1 for the first 20 minutes, and then you have a second cost for each minute after 20 minutes.